Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand this story to take your decision. Your one like will motivate me to be regular in working more hard for you. Let us start the day to analyze the movements of S&P 500 futures. So friends, here you can see a daily chart of S&P 500 futures. Here I find that S&P 500 futures gained a strong position on Friday when the US President Mr. Donald Trump ordered an end to Washington's special treatment of Hong Kong. I find that this move was welcomed by the investors as I find that this unlikely to jeopardize a trade account with China. Mr. Trump said that the China broke its word over Hong Kong's autonomy, but did not mention any action that would undermine the Phase 1 trade deal that Washington and Beijing signed this year. Therefore, I find that this statement was evident enough to create a bouncing move in the S&P 500 futures from the lower levels. Here you can see that this resulted in formation of a bullish hammer in a daily time frame where I find that the S&P 500 futures found strong support at 200 days moving average when the S&P 500 futures tested the lows of 2992 and finally closed at 3042 after testing the highs of 3058. Here I find that the S&P 500 futures may try to enter amid this bearish zone. Here I find that there is a thick presence of bears above the levels of 3070, where I find that any upward move up to the levels of 3132 will result in heavy sell-off during the upcoming week, where I find that the immediate support will once again be provided by the 200 days moving average, which is currently at the levels of 3009. Here I find that if the S&P 500 futures make a sustainable move below the 200 days moving average, we will see the S&P 500 futures to move up to the levels of 2929, where they will find their next immediate support. But here I find that this statement by the US President will enhance this volatility during the upcoming week. Now I find that the currently prevailing weakness of global economy will prevail over the movements of S&P 500 futures. Here I find that the S&P 500 futures will find stiff resistance at the levels of 3127. On any upward move, we'll see the rallies will be sold below these levels because I find that the economic fundamentals are too weak to sustain this move. So friends, here I find that we will see more volatility during the upcoming weeks. Here I find that any downward move of S&P 500 futures below the levels of 2872 will result in a steep downward move, where we will see the S&P 500 futures may see a breakout move below the levels of 2814 during the upcoming week. In case of any upward move, here I find that amid this zone, the S&P 500 futures will find stiff resistance due to the thick presence of bears amid this zone. So friends, be ready to see an action in the S&P 500 futures during the upcoming weeks. Now let us have a look at the movements of gold futures in a daily time frame. Here you can see that on Friday, the gold futures showed a strong upward move up to the levels of $1775 and closed at $1736. Therefore, I find that this growing strength in gold futures looks evident enough to show the upcoming volatile moves in global equity markets during the upcoming weeks. So thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.